Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be comparing YouTube Music versus Spotify and which music streaming service is better. Now, as you can see here on my screen, I have YouTube Music opened up. In my opinion, YouTube Music simply knows you better. It offers better track recommendations and it begins to understand the type of music you like and listen to. Spotify, however, has much better playlist options. It helps you discover new music as well, and most importantly, it has a much better community as you can create blends and share it amongst your friends. Spotify also comes with a desktop version, whereas YouTube Music is lacking in that area. But in my opinion, YouTube Music has a much better catalog and way more options. It can be said you can find practically every piece of music made on earth on YouTube Music. Now, in my opinion, Spotify caters towards people who are searching for new music, whereas YouTube Music makes an effort to understand the type of music you listen to. Both of these services are great in my opinion, and it simply depends which one you prefer and what you're looking for. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.